In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a meal plan in Notion. We're going to walk through the process step by step, making it as straightforward and simple as possible. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking for a new way to organize your meals, this is the video for you. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive meal plan all set up and ready to go. Let's start by heading over to Notion. It's a versatile tool that can help streamline many aspects of your life, including meal planning. Navigate to their website and click on the Log In button. For most people, logging in with Google is the quickest option, so let's go ahead and do that. Once you click the Google option, make sure to select your account. This will take you into your Notion workspace. After you're logged into Notion, click on the option for Notion AI. This feature is a fantastic way to streamline processes and can certainly lend a hand in generating ideas for your meal plans. In the chat box, type in "generate a meal and grocery plan." Don't hesitate to be specific here. If you have dietary restrictions or a budget you need to stick to, mention those as well. The more details you provide, the more tailored your plan will be. Once you've input your desired parameters and Notion AI has done its magic, you'll need to access the meal plan template to see everything laid out in an organized manner. Look to the left panel of your screen and click on the Meal Plan template. This template is a valuable tool because it provides a structured format that makes it easy to evaluate and adjust your meal plans as necessary. At this point, you should see a comprehensive meal plan on your screen. All the meals are organized and ideally fit within any specifications you've provided, such as food preferences or budget constraints. Now you can take a moment to review everything. This is your opportunity to tweak the plan to better suit your needs or explore different meal options suggested by the AI. Don't forget, this Notion template isn't just static text. You can make adjustments at any time, adapting it to accommodate changes in your dietary preferences or family needs. You can add notes, swap out meals, or include new recipes you've discovered. The goal here is to create a plan that not only organizes your meals, but also simplifies your grocery shopping, saving you both time and effort. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've built a functional meal plan using Notion. It's an intuitive way to organize breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, keeping everything neat and engaging. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.